Well, this is Vibe 94.7, the first choice here mphakathi. Uzabeleka ijoy celebration ngabela sibathozeka ngempela ke lengoma bathi yebo. Uyikho konke empilweni yami Jehova khala la Vibe 94.7. Yes, of course, it is the first choice here mphakathi. Okay, ngingakhuluma ke nawe kathi ke kule nkathi yamanje so ke sikhulume ngale feature le enicelela ukuthi asibuyise ngenxa ukuthi ibi eda ivalue kakhulu empilweni yakho. So khuluma ngakho manje njengamanje khona la Vibe 94.7. Sikhathi kasikhomputha imzuzu mayibe ngo-20 nje kuphela lithele bumbana ihora lesine khona la Vibe 94.7. Now, when you speak about izinto as prophetic, so there is something that efuneka si understand when we speak about calling yaka prophecy. Ukuthi uma besikhuluma nge-calling yaka prophecy sibuka ngeso laka Christianity. I-prophecy ihlukane izigaba eziwu-3 i-calling yakhona. So i-calling ihlukane izigaba eziwu-3. So kuya ngaNkulunkulu ukuthi kubiza kanjani. Kunaba prophets ababizwa ngama before prophets. Aba prophets ababizwa ngama before prophets. So when we speak about ama before prophets, that kind of a prophet, prophet owabizwa before the creation. So lo prophet ofana no Jeremiah atima bekhuluma athi before ngikubumbe esibelethweni sama wakho ngakwazi, and then ngakugcoba I ordained you as a prophet before the creation. So lo hlobo prophet kubizwa nge-before prophet because ube ngumprofeti before the creation. So kudalwa nje vele usomprofeti yabo. In fact kubeka siselile ukuthi kube usuku lakhe lokuzalwa then bese azalwa bomprofeti, but ngesikhathi kusekela umhlaba emaphakadeni vele yena wabizwa wa-ordained as a prophet. So lo ubizwa ngani? Ubizwa nge-before prophet, right? Then ke bese bakhona umprofeti owesibili obizwa ngani? Obizwa called prophet, obizwe along the way. So when sikhuluma ngomprofeti obizwa nge-called prophet, lo prophet akazalanga ngumprofeti, alright? Akazalanga ngumprofeti but ubizwe along the way. So uma be ebizwa along the way wahlukanisa i-calling yokuba ngumprofeti. Example yalokho uSamuel akazalanga ngumprofeti but wabizwa along the way. Uzokhumbula isitori sakhe sokubizwa nasi isitori sika Eli kanye nobani nayo Samuel. Uma ngabe elela uSamuel uvuka ebusuku uzwa ivoice and then uzwa ngathi khona umuntu ombizayo, and then mabe uya ku spiritual father wakhe uEli. Uma be eya kuEli athi Eli no angaze ngibize phinde uyolala. Waphinde wayolala uSamuel, waphinde futhi wezwa umuntu embizi, waphinde futhi waphuma ku-spiritual father. Uma bephuma ku-spiritual father, i-spiritual father sithi no angaze ngikubize. Waphinde futhi uyolala mfana wami, waphinde futhi wayolala, and uma belala waphinde futhi wayizwa ivoice. Uma be eyizwa ivoice waphuma ku-spiritual father. Uma be eya ku-spiritual father, spiritual father no my son angaze ngikubize. But uma ngabe uphinda uyizwa ivoice, yabo, uma uphinda uyizwa ivoice othi khuluma Nkosi ingceke yakhe ilalela. The reason kufuneka asho njalo ingenxa ukuthi uspiritual father wabona ukuthi okay usana njengamanje ungena kwi-calling, ngamanye amazwi uyabizwa ungena obizweni. So ngamanye amazwi wangena kwi-stage lapho sokuthi abizwe ngani? Ebizwa nge-called prophet, ubizwe along the way, right? Along the way. Then the prophet wesithathu ilo obizwa nge-made prophet. So onjani obizwa nge-made prophet? Obizwa nge-made prophet akazalanga ngumprofeti, akabizwanga futhi abe ngumprofeti, but kwenzakaleni i-atmosphere yabaprofeti noma i-atmosphere yabantu abamsurroundile ba-prophetic angakwenza ku-prophetic church. Uma ekwenza ku-prophetic church lokho kuzomenza ukuthi abe njani? Abe ngumuntu o-prophetic. Yini emenza abe prophetic? Ingenxa ukuthi ukhonze bandla leli prophetic and they end up esengumprofeti because of the church, because of the atmosphere. So when we speak about prophecy ifana ne-perfume. Uma ngabe uyispray ekhoneni it will affect wonke umuntu ongaphakathi kuleyo. Ingakho wonke umuntu even noma bekade engasiya nomprofeti uzo-enda phese kubona imbono, a-enda phese kubona amaphupho, a-enda phese the voice of God, azo the inner voice, aphinde futhi azo the audible voice of God. Ngani? Ngenxa yokuthi ubi-atmosphere of the prophetic. So now i-atmosphere of the prophetic iyakwazi ukwenza even noma bekade ungezoba umprofethi noma ungasiyena umprofethi u-end up prophet because of the atmosphere. Uthi msama u-Amos lapha ku-chapter 7 verse number 14 uthi I was not a prophet, I was not even a son of the prophet, but i-atmosphere yabo, i-atmosphere can make you ube ngumprofethi yabo. So uyakwazi ukuba ngumprofethi because of the eloquence and the atmosphere. Mangabe ukhumbula istory sika Saul, uSaul kwathiwa Saul nyuka uye entabeni kusho uSamuel uthi nyuka uye entabeni, uma unyuka entabeni uzohlangana neviyo labaprofeti, and uma uhlangana neviyo labaprofeti uzobafica beprofeta, and now you shall prophesy yabo. Even nano Saul uma behlangana wahlangana neviyo labaprofeti, uma behlangana neviyo labaprofeti naye he also prophesied because of the atmosphere. Do you understand? Because of the spirit ezasikade siba prophet lokho kwamazwi naye I end up esekwazi ukuprofeta. Yes, so in other words aba prophet noma i-calling umprofeti, i-calling aba prophet ihlukana igaba eziwu-3. Number 1, he before prophet. Number 2, he called prophet. Number 3, he made prophet. Right.